Today I'll be trying the crab trap that my friend got from Shopee. The center part, there's a pin for you to put your bait on. We are using some smelly fish head today. We'll hook the fish through the eye so it's lesser chance for it to drop out.
Are you bend up? Yeah.
You can tie the end of the line to your main line and let the trap down using a rod. So after you let the trap sink all the way down, you need to loosen the line and shake it a few times so that the trap will open up. So when you want to check whether there is crab or not, you pull it up, then the trap will close. Usually we drop it down near the jetty pillar. I got a crab! I got a crab!
I got you.
Ooh.
Hey, come and bite me.
No, this one very big. I mean not very big, but if it bites you, then let's go! One, the fish head.
Oh wait, let me see.
Wait, careful.
It's a fish head only.
Huh? No, there's a crab there. Don't you see it?
There?
You see this? Crab.
Okay, so only a crab.
Is it alive?
Yes, we are trying to catch crab,
Oh, okay.
not fish.
Wait, don't hold properly.
Hey! Okay,
Is
Gigi,
it alive?
let's go,
Is
let's
it
go then.
alive?
Of course it's alive.
What is
太大只了。
不会很大只啦，but
OK
at least 有抓到啦。
可以拍到。
Hey, I thought sangkut. Wait I thought it's sangkut, but then got. Hey, the crab coming out! Oh my god! The crab is coming out! Help! Help!
Hey, don't catch like that.
Hmm?
You go stand one. Catch the. No, put down. Catch the.
Why?
You must like that. Then you catch the two leg like that.
Okay.
Then you bend the two leg like that. Like that catch him.
Oh.
The hand can go down.
You try lah. I let it get you then. Then I got experience.
This is female.
Who?
Yes, this one is female. Round one.
Oh, this part ah.
Come you see here. I teach you how to see. With video.
Video. Come, you want to explain? Flip over.
Round. Here round right is a female. here, main right here, sharp one. These two side is sharp. Sharp go in here.
Okay.